Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Walt. If this is your first time here, welcome. Just bought a new, to me, work truck. A couple things I need to do under the hood, and in order to do that, I need to replace these hood lift struts. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. As you can see, they've lost their lifting capability. Just about every vehicle that has hood lift struts is going to be the same, so even if you don't have a Dodge pickup truck, as long as yours has hood lift struts, this video should work for you. This is a pretty simple fix. You only really need one tool, which is a little small flathead screwdriver or something to pry with, and you need your new hood struts right here. You can get these at the auto parts store, or you can get them off Amazon if you don't need them the same day. And if you don't have a friend to help you hold the hood up, you need one more tool, which is this right here. Alright, since none of my friends wanted to come help hold this hood up for me while I change these struts out, I had to call old Irwin. You can always count on Irwin. He shows up and works every time. All you got to do is go to the other side that you don't have your clamp on. Stick your flathead screwdriver in here. Pop up these two tabs. Pop that off. Go down to the bottom. Pop him off. And with your new lifters, you want to orient them the same way as the old ones. This one happened to be bar down, so you just snap the new ones on. Simple as that. Alright, like magic, less than 20 minutes, about $20 worth of parts, and now you don't have a headache anymore. Literally, because when this comes down, I'll give you a pretty good headache. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you all on the next one. Alright, you made it all the way to the bonus footage, so if you're still watching at this point, you might as well hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already. And make sure you're subscribed if you want to join me on the next adventure.